Traders, this is a brief introduction to our TradingView indicators and strategy. We're trading Forex here. This is the euro dollar. We look for an opportunity when our indicators come together. For example, back here, we have a higher time frame confluence here, and we get a sell signal within this red zone, this red shaded zone through here. This is our cue to enter the market. And there's another sell signal here as well. The sell signal, when both of these indicators are red across the board, we can look to take it. And here we can see both indicators are red across the board, so we can take these trades. We do have another rule of thumb that increases the win rate, and that is on a higher time frame, a 1 hour or a 4 hour, we're always looking for that Fibonacci pullback into 50% into equilibrium. And so this is an ideal signal. You can gain access to the indicators. I have daily mentorship videos, and if you're looking for these kind of signals at an incredibly affordable price, I mean they're only $29.95 a month, while we've just introduced a couple of these indicators. Okay, so this is a special promo discounted rate. See, now when this is out of the red zone, we don't touch it, and we only look for opportunities in either the red or green zone. And again, it has to come together on the higher time frame. We're looking for that 4 hour trend retrace, right? So you could look at this from a 4 hour perspective, and you'd be looking at this pullback here for the opportunity, and then the sell signal kicks in. These two here kick in, and that's the opportunity to go short. Fairly tight stop in this grey shaded zone, this cloud, go for a 2 hour target, and then you can trail it after that and extend your target. Trail the stop loss through this cloud here, and then you can add to your position as well, short position here. While we are in sync with both of these indicators red, for the most part, this will give you pretty high quality signals. I mean, as you can see here, every now and again you might get caught out if you've got a tight stop. For example, on this sell signal pullback, right, that may have caught you out, but then we get another opportunity right here. I mean, it is offering limitless opportunities on a daily basis. Click on any of these. I don't know, what have we got here? New Zealand dollar. Try that. Scrunch it up. Look for a signal. There we go. Right, so we have a buy signal here. HTF kicked in here. The green zone, the pullback, the buy signal was here, so we could take that. 15-minute chart, tight stop. The real benefit of this comes when we have an extended trend. I mean, these are pretty good, 5, 6 R, but every now and again you'll have an opportunity when the trend continues. See, there's no sell signal in here. We've only got the HTF, but there's no sell. Okay, so we don't enter. We wait for the combination. Okay, back here. Well, you can get involved with this. Watch out though for these stop runs. But I mean, you can see how powerful these signals are. That is a Wednesday. I've been talking about this in my videos. We've been seeing some incredibly aggressive stop runs on Wednesdays consistently. This is an attack on liquidity here. And, we're finding out this has been a regular occurrence, mainly since the Bank of Japan increased their rates. We've seen this Wednesday hit on liquidity, but I mean, yeah, we can take advantage of this signal after, well, this one here. There's a sell signal, kicks into the HTF in here. You can even jump in on this pullback if you're late to the party, and that's fine. And trail your stop loss in the cloud. Click on any of these. Let's have a look at gold. Scrunch it up, find the first signal. Oh, I was looking at this yesterday. Okay, I did a video on this. We may as well run with that. So there's the HTF. That's when the green zone kicks in. And then we have continued buy signals while this green zone in the background is running. And this is how you can add to your position. And I mean, you catch one of these trends like this, and it's a really, really nice outcome. So that's gold. Yeah, gold, pretty volatile. But I mean, you can see how powerful this is. We wait for the confluence and we get involved. And again, as I mentioned, I'm doing daily mentorship videos into VIP. So we have Forex plus a crypto VIP Telegram channel with daily signals. So here's an invite to jump on board and join us on this journey. At the moment, VIP is heavily discounted, so you gain access to both of these channels and daily mentorship videos plus the indicators. And as I mentioned in a previous video, shout me sushi train once a month, keep me happy. And I'm happy to share my success with you. It's only $29.95 a month for now. This will be going up shortly. So you could lock this in through this PayPal link here. And there's also a free trial. You can have a look and see what that's about. This gives you a 14-day free trial, and you can read what this includes. So you could lock in the free trial at no cost whatsoever and monitor everything over 2 weeks and then make a decision as to whether you want to continue or otherwise. So guys, that's an intro into our trading strategy with our indicators and what I'm offering. So with that, hope you have a great day. I look forward to seeing you in VIP. And until next time, take care.